Okay, as you guys know, I have a whole bunch of Mickey Disney ears. This isn't even all of them. I have most of them here, but I actually have some that are just put aside or other places, and I want to go through them and decide which ones to put on my wall. Now this is the space, look, we literally have some right here. This is the space that I want to put them up here. I think I'll probably be able to realistically do 9 without overwhelming like this space here. So I want to pick out 9 of them that I can put right here. I'm also probably going to add 2 more of my Loungefly up there. But a few things we need to do first. We need to clean off my dresser just a little bit to make it easier to hang them, and because I just need to. And then we're going to pick out the ears to put up here and put them up there. So let's go along and do it. Like I said, the first step is going to be cleaning off my dresser, but I just wanted to say hi and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna be hanging my Disney ears and decorating my room a little bit. My inspiration was actually from my Loungefly bag wall behind me. I actually really like having this up. I like seeing my selection of Loungefly and my pens up across here. I also love having it as a filming background, especially for my Disney videos. So I think I want to do the same on this side so that I can have my ears up and I can see them and change them out by season or by just how I'm feeling. That's why I wanted to do this video, and I just wanted to bring you along. Also because, as you saw, my ear bag is getting explosive and I'm not quite sure even putting 9 ears up will help with this problem, but it'll help a little tiny bit. So that's the goal. Let's start cleaning off my dresser. Oh my god, you guys, munchlings. Aw, look at my little Hortensia. I bought these little accessory holders from like Amazon or Shein or Temu, I don't know, a few years ago, and they've been so helpful because I put my earrings in them and then I don't lose them because I have too many earrings to hang up on my little earring holder back here. I got a whole bunch of these, like a sample set of these Lorcana cards from Disney from a baseball game I went to, and I don't know if I will ever get more, but they're cute, so I am gonna keep them. I just don't really know what to do with them. Okay, so it is mainly cleaned off. I'm not adding much more of this back on here. I just have to figure out where to put some things. I have these like hair clips in packages still that I need to just take out. So I'm probably going to wipe this off and do that. I mean, look at these cute little like Minnie Mouse bows that I got. Yeah, I just need to throw them in my little clip holder thing here, and hadn't done that yet. Very easy to do. I have a whole bunch of sleep masks too, for whatever reason, that I use, but I cycle them out. This one I did get from the Sabrina Carpenter concert. It says, I bet we'd have really good bed chem, which is super cute. my little bear. Her name is Paris. Everything else that was up here is not supposed to be up there. So this is where we're ending with our dresser. And now I'm going to pick out what ears to put up. Yay! All right, guys, I have my giant bag of ears here, and I am now going to be going through like swiping style, the ones that I want to put up and the ones that I want to keep stored away for now. I'm just gonna try to go through it very quickly with you because I do not want to make this the whole video. Okay, anything that is going to go up on the wall will be on my dresser, and anything I don't want, I will be moving to the left side, sort of over here. We might not stick with 9 right away. There might be more, and we might have to divide down from there. I'm sort of going with favorites and sort of summary themes right now. And that's it. We cleaned her out. Now we have to go through this pile and decide what we like to keep up there. Remember, we're doing 9. More for myself. I just thought these were fun. Like, I thought these would be fun on the wall. And because of the 70th celebration, Duffy is like in the parks. But I don't know, maybe. For sure. These are a less strong, maybe. I just think these ears are so pretty. Green is so spring. Classic Mickey. I just love the silver castle. I feel like it's very Disneyland. So I think, okay. We need to choose between Disney Castle and Disneyland little banner. I think I like the Disneyland banner. So we're gonna do those. Oh, I just think these are so pretty, and now that I don't have the silver, I think I could do those. I love my yellow ones. They yell spring summer to me. They're my favorite pair of ears that I own. I'm gonna put those up. Okay. And then I'm gonna do green, Mickey hands, Luna Bell, and put these out for now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! We have our 9. Now we're gonna hang them. How cute! Yay! Now to the next row. I'm not tall enough, so I have to enlist help for the top row, but I'll show you when I'm putting the ears on. I love it so far. Okay, my Sorcerer Mickey ears do not fit up there because of the Sorcerer Mickey hat, but I have a solution. My little bear Paris can wear them. And the ones I decided to put back, I will now just put up there. And now my Sorcerer Mickey ears have a special place too. Yay! My ear wall looks so good. Absolutely love it. Thanks for coming along on this journey with me. This is the final result. It looks so good. I added my Sorcerer Mickey ears to Paris, and everything looks so good. Yay! you.